Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that affects many of us. That is liver health. Our livers are incredible organs, tirelessly working to detoxify and process what we consume. However, factors like poor diet and lifestyle choices can lead to the accumulation of fat in the liver, impacting its function. But fear not, because in this video, we're uncovering a selection of beverages that might just become your liver's new best friends. Whether you're proactively maintaining a healthy liver or looking for ways to repair and revitalize, stick around as we count down the top drinks that could play a crucial role in promoting optimal liver function. Before we jump in, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the Health Lab family. So grab your favorite beverage, and let's dive into the ultimate elixirs for a healthier liver. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is often considered beneficial for individuals with fatty liver as it is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been studied for their potential to protect the liver from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can contribute to inflammation and damage to liver cells. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in green tea may have anti-inflammatory effects, which can be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the liver. Chronic inflammation is often associated with fatty liver disease. Green tea may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for individuals with fatty liver disease, especially if it is associated with insulin resistance. Improved insulin sensitivity can help regulate blood sugar levels. Certain studies indicate that green tea catechins may play a role in reducing fat accumulation in the liver. This is significant in the context of fatty liver disease, where excess fat deposits in the liver can lead to inflammation and liver damage. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is often touted for its potential health benefits, and it may have some positive effects on fatty liver disease. Lemon water is acidic and may stimulate the liver to produce bile. Bile is essential for digestion and the breakdown of fats. Improved bile production can aid in the digestion of dietary fats and potentially contribute to the management of fatty liver. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor to inflammation and liver damage. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin C in lemon water may support overall liver health. Staying well hydrated is crucial for liver health. Water, including lemon water, helps flush toxins from the body, and proper hydration supports the liver in its detoxification processes. Lemon water is a low-calorie beverage, making it a healthier alternative to sugary drinks. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for managing fatty liver disease, and consuming low-calorie beverages can contribute to a balanced diet. Number 3. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural hydrating beverage that contains electrolytes such as potassium. Staying well hydrated is crucial for overall health, including liver function. Proper hydration supports the liver in its detoxification processes. Coconut water is relatively low in calories compared to many other beverages, especially those high in added sugars. Choosing low-calorie options can contribute to a balanced diet and may be beneficial for individuals with fatty liver disease who are working on weight management. Some studies suggest that coconut water may have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is associated with inflammation and liver damage. By reducing oxidative stress, coconut water may support liver health. The electrolytes in coconut water, particularly potassium, can help maintain electrolyte balance in the body. This is important for overall health and can be especially beneficial for individuals with liver conditions. Number 4. Beet juice. Beets are rich in antioxidants, including betalains, which may help reduce oxidative stress in the liver. Oxidative stress is associated with inflammation and damage to liver cells, and antioxidants can help counteract these effects. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in beets, such as betalains and betaine, may have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is often associated with fatty liver disease, and reducing inflammation can be beneficial for liver health. Beets are a natural source of dietary nitrates, which the body can convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow. Improved blood flow can potentially benefit the liver by enhancing nutrient delivery and aiding in the removal of waste products. The betaine content in beets is believed to support the liver's natural detoxification processes. Betaine may help the liver process fats more efficiently, potentially reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Number 5. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their red color. Lycopene has been associated with various health benefits, including potential protective effects for the liver. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is implicated in liver inflammation and damage. Some studies suggest that lycopene and other compounds in tomato have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is often a factor in the progression of fatty liver disease, and foods with anti-inflammatory properties can be beneficial. There is some evidence to suggest that lycopene may play a role in lipid metabolism, potentially helping to regulate fat accumulation in the liver. This could be particularly relevant for individuals with fatty liver disease. Tomatoes are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients contribute to overall health and can support various bodily functions, including liver functions. Tomato juice is a relatively low-calorie beverage, and it typically contains little to no saturated fat. Choosing low-calorie, low-fat options can be beneficial for individuals with fatty liver disease who are working on weight management and reducing dietary sources of saturated fat. Number 6. Spinach smoothie. A spinach smoothie can be a nutritious addition to a diet aimed at supporting liver health, especially for individuals with fatty liver disease. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that provides essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, iron, and potassium. These nutrients are crucial for overall health and can support the proper functioning of the liver. Spinach contains antioxidants such as beta-carotene and lutein, which have potential anti-inflammatory and protective effects on the liver. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is associated with liver inflammation and damage. Spinach is low in calories, making it a suitable choice for individuals focusing on weight management. Excess calorie intake, especially from sources like added sugars and saturated fats, can contribute to liver fat accumulation. Spinach can easily be incorporated into smoothies along with other healthy ingredients. Combining spinach with fruits, a source of protein like yogurt or protein powder, and healthy fats such as nut butter or avocado can create a well-balanced and satisfying smoothie. So, viewers, these are the top best drinks for repairing fatty liver. Remember, fostering a healthy liver is a holistic endeavor, and the beverages we've discussed today are just one piece of the puzzle. Whether you choose antioxidant-rich green tea, hydrating coconut water, or the nutrient-packed goodness of a spinach smoothie, incorporating these drinks into your routine can be a positive step towards supporting liver health. However, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is essential for personalized advice tailored to specific health needs. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay healthy, stay informed, and let's continue to cultivate a life of vibrant health together